Hello everyone. Today we are going to do temporal prepositionen. Prepositions that we can relate with the time framework. For, nach and während. Während is a genitive prepositions. We'll see with the help of examples how do we use them. For means before or ago. We can use it in a past tense or in a present tense. Verb position is immediately after the noun. And this is a dative preposition. Now we'll see with the help of few examples how do we use this preposition. Vor 5 Jahren war ich in Berlin. 5 years ago I was in Berlin. Or before 5 years I was in Berlin. You can see the verb placement is immediately after the noun, which is Jahr. Das Jahr, plural, Jahren. For is a preposition. 5 Jahre. Jahr is a noun. And then verb, war ich in Berlin. The rest of the sentence. You should always think about the correct position of the verb. Vor der Reise habe ich gut vorbereitet. Before the journey, I have prepared well. Vor der Reise. For is a preposition. Reise, the article is D, changes into der because it is a dative preposition. And then verb, habe, and rest of the sentence. Since it is a perfect tense, so we write the helping verb at the second place, which is habe, and vorbereitet at the last place, which is participle perfect of the verb vorbereiten, to prepare. Vor dem Essen trinke ich Wasser. In this sentence, Essen is a noun. You should know that we can make any verb as a noun and we can use it. Such kind of verbs and such kind of nouns have the article das. Before the food, I drink water. Before food, I drink water. You can also reverse, I drink water before the food. For is a preposition, dem Wasser. Dem Essen, das Essen changes into dem. And then trinke ich Wasser. Rest of the sentence. So as I said, verb position is immediately after the noun. So here noun is Essen. Before food, I drink water. Nach means after. It is also a dative preposition. After the test, I go to play. Nach dem Test, gehe ich spielen. In this sentence, you can see gehe is the verb at the second position. Nach dem Test, this is considered the one word. Nach is a preposition, dative. Test, der test changes into dem test, dative article. And then rest of the sentence, gehe ich spielen. You can also reverse it. Ich gehe spielen nach dem Test. I go to play after the test. Nach dem Duschen frühstücke ich. Nach dem Duschen. Das Duschen, again we have made a noun out of verb. Frühstücken is the verb at second position and then ich. You can also reverse it. Ich frühstücke nach dem Duschen. I do breakfast after the shower. Nach einem Jahr lerne ich Deutsch. After 1 year, I will learn German. So nach einem Jahr, das Jahr, so changes into einem, then verb position at second place, lerne, and then rest of the sentence. You can also reverse it. Ich lerne Deutsch nach einem Jahr. I will learn German after 1 year. Nach dem Spiel gehen die Kinder nach Hause. Here we have used two times nach. The first is dative preposition nach after the game, and the second nach is for house, to home. After the game, children go to home, to house. Nach dem Spiel again, das Spiel changes into dem, dative preposition. Kinder plural, so gehen die Kinder, and then rest of the sentence, nach Hause. After the game, children go to home. Now we'll see the preposition während. It is a genitive preposition. It means during. When we do two activities together or simultaneously, we use the preposition während. It is also known as temporal preposition that we can relate with the time framework. Before starting with the sentences, we'll see how article changes with this preposition. Der and das change into des, and noun takes extra s or es that you need to memorize. And d, either singular or plural, changes into der. So, während des Umzugs war ich traurig. During the shifting, I was sad. So, während des Umzugs, der Umzug changes into des, and noun takes extra s, it takes s, Umzugs. And then comes the verb position, war ist traurig. Während des Umzugs is one word, and then verb position second, war. During the shifting, I was sad. Während der Reise höre ich Musik. I listen music during the journey. So here die Reise changes into der. Während der Reise is one word, and then verb position second. Hören is the verb. You can also reverse it. Ich höre Musik während der Reise. Während des schlechten Wetters gehe ich nicht aus. So here the verb is ausgehen. It's a separable verb. Wetter, das Wetter, changes into des. Schlecht is an adjective and takes en ending. In genitive case, adjective ending is always en. And then verb position gehe. So in this sentence, während des schlechten Wetters is considered one word. And then verb at the second position, gehe. Afterwards, rest of the sentence. I hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe the channel and share the video as much as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.